Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the studio. Very, very excited. We just had our grand opening weekend. It was so much fun. We had a lot of people here and met so many new friends, and it was awesome. It was a great time. So tonight we're going to be doing something that I have done a couple of times before. One of my favorites is a painting called Silk, and another one was called Regalia. And I'm talking about a wandering ring pour using Amsterdam Pearls on a very dark base. So I'm kind of having this moment. This is an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my base coat color. So the moment that I'm kind of having lately involves this beautiful color, this like beautiful deep mossy British racing green. I love this, and I made this color from using this Liquitex Hooker's green and some Amsterdam black, and turned it into that, and I'm kind of obsessed. So I really love this, and I think this is going to work great because the Amsterdam Pearls show up beautifully on a darker base, and this is going to dry nice and deep and dark. So we're going to be using this beautiful split cup from my darling friend Fiona, made by the lovely people at Fluid Art Co. This is a modular split cup, which means that you can take out the dividers and put them wherever you want them and configure the chambers however you need, and then also being able to remove them makes it very easy to clean. You can find your own wonderful Fiona's modular split cup at www.fluid-art.co. So
how many dividers can you put in there?
there's up to 5 dividers, or 6 dividers, 5. Yeah, 5 dividers. So it holds 13 ounces. I wish there was a great big one, but that's okay. This is an awesome cup, and I really love it. So thank you, Fluid Art Co. We're gonna layer our cup now. We're gonna put that beautiful British racing green right in the center, in the middle chamber. And then we're gonna put the pearl green. Oh, I didn't even show you. So that's the sap green. This is the Amsterdam Pearl green. Consistency wise, my nice thick consistency again, made with my Golden's heavy gel gloss and Golden's heavy gel gloss and American Floetrol and a little bit of water. So that's the pearl green. This one is the pearl blue. They look the same, shocking, but they won't when they're dry. So okay, we have this British racing green on one side. We're going to fill up this other chamber on the side with the pearl blue. And then we're going to use the pearl green on the other side. Madness, I tell you. Okay, that's ready to go. I also have a nice big giant tub of that British racing green that we're going to use for our background color. Okay, let's pour some of this out. Ourselves a nice big runway. And using the base coat is actually really important in this, because that way you get to decide what composition you want to keep. Maybe torchy. Okay. All right, then we have some more of that for our sides and edges. Let's pour this one. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, we're gonna do a wandering ring pour. We're gonna stay pretty close to the canvas, and we're gonna keep our rings nice and tight. We're gonna keep moving continually about the same speed so everything stays uniform and has that beautiful swirled shape to it. If you go too slow, everything gets wiggly and wonky. It's not as pretty. All right, we're gonna start over here. Ready, honey?
Yep.
Here we go. can already see the pearl green, and this is all green, and then this top stuff is the blue. That's so cool. I love these Amsterdam pearls. They're so much fun to play with. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more on our corners and edges. Okay, let's tilt this out. I really like everything that's happening over here. It's really, really cool. Okay. We're gonna find the way to the paint is all about here. We're gonna walk this down nice and easy. Notice how the base coat is sliding nice and beautifully. We've anchored the paint over the edges. Come back to the center again. This corner now. I'm gonna let this float down. I'm gonna take some of this bottom section off. Pearl blue looks like it's purple. That's cool. We're just going to take this all the way to the edge, and then we're going to bring it back. That's pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah. Reminds me of one of those Art Deco like palm leaf.
Oh, okay.
Things. Very graphic.
Yeah. Very cool. I really like these. It's so much fun to do, and there's such a bold result. Really, really looks awesome. And especially using the Amsterdam Pearls, we get that gorgeous color shifting, which is awesome. Okay. I'll wipe my hands off one more time. Just I'll do that over the trash can next time. I'll torch this one more time. Last torching is always really, really quick because I don't like when it brings up these little speckly bits. Ultimately, it doesn't matter that much in the composition, but I prefer it when they're not there. So, okay, this is awesome. We have our beautiful British Racing Green. We have the pearl green in there. We have the pearl blue in there. And you're starting to see some of these secondary colors from the British Racing Green mixing with those two pearl colors. So, I love that there's like just a few little cells right there. This is really cool. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you have a beautiful day. If you're interested in taking private lessons with me, you can email me at minavbythesea@gmail.com, or you can check out our website, which is www.bytheseastudioandgallery.com. So we'll be right back. Okay, here we are a couple days later with our dried results. This one came out really, really cool. This is that beautiful dark British Racing Green background color, which is showing up black right now, but it is actually very dark green. And we had the pearl green and the pearl blue, and we had the 3 chambers in the split cup, so we had some wider lines, which actually came out very, very cool. Okay, HOA, can you tilt it around? Ooh, look at that. There's the green and the pearl blue. So this is kind of awesome. I love that. That's cool. All right, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave me a like, share, subscribe if you can, hype, all that good YouTube stuff. And we will see you for the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.